Good morning guys. Tara samahan niyo ako sa ride ko. Magchichiller lang naman ako papuntang baler kasama with Utol Michiboy. Tara na, let's go! Yan si Utol. Bago kami bumiyahe ay umapit muna yan ang biyahe para makaipon ng pang long ride niya. Kaya palto-palto dyan. Kaya ikaw na bahala sa akin, Utol, sa ride natin ha. Dito din nga pala kami dumaan sa bypass road na Kabanatuan, Nueva Ecija. Dito wala kasing traffic, kaya smooth ang biyahe namin. Matagal-tagal na rin na wala akong vlog na long ride. Ngayon lang ulit kasi naaalala ko 6 months or 1 year na kasi busy din sa trabaho. Basta yung mga ganitong video or content lang nagagawa kong vlog para alam mo na yung mga ganitong masarap lang yung na magpapahangin ka sa long ride na daan. Mainit ang panahon ngayon, mga nagdaan kasing araw, nag-uulan, may bagyo, ngayon magandang bumiyahe, mainit.
let's go.
Old school na sasakyan. Ang ganda ng motor na sidecar.
And the stars we roll tonight.
Penguin!
City lights so bright, alright. Windows down, we feel the breeze. Heartbeats fast, we play with ease. Radio plays our favorite song. We sing loud, we sing along. No maps, just the open road. Together sharing stories told. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every month, just you and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Street signs blurring on our review. In the sky, the darkest blue. Laughing loud without a care. You and me, the perfect pair. Headlights shining just for us. World belongs to us, no fuss. Moonlit skies, we're hand in hand. Wanderlust, we understand. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Headlights shining just for us. World belongs to us, no fuss. Moonlit skies, we're hand in hand. Wanderlust, we understand. Midnight drive, we come alive. Come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. You and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Beneath the tree. Radio plays our favorite song. We sing loud, we sing along. No maps, just the open road. Together sharing stories told. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. You and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Street signs blurring on our review. In the sky, the darkest blue. Laughing loud without a care.
pinakamalaking puno sa buong Asia na balete. Pinakamalaking balete sa buong Asia. Dito lang makikita sa Maria Aurora. Dito ata sinushooting yung mga hinihila ng puno eh.
A few moments later.
I'm standing on the highest ledge, right on the world's most windy edge, and making a brand new pledge to never live my life in fear, to make my purpose crystal clear. The reason that I'm standing here, my heart is beating like a drum for all the things that are to come. I take a breath and make the leap, a promise I will always keep. This is the adventure of a lifetime, a moment that is so sublime. I'm in my own true happy
Wow! Ganda dito!
crime, the adventure of a lifetime. I'm ringing my own victory chime.
Ito yung sinasabi kong long ride.
Lifetime, and I am not wasting any
Ano naman yun eh? Sumalubong naman sa dinadaanan ko eh.
amazing magic place. I'm running in a different race. Not one of slow and steady pace, but one of style and one of grace. A challenge I will now embrace.
One way lang talaga ito. Dito ano, lake, tapos dito bangon.
Life to live, so take the chances that it gives. Be brave and strong and
Dapat kasi tinatapos kung ano ito eh, para ano, itong block dito sa ano, sa gilid na yun ng one way, para makituloy. Tapos na.
without you here. Every step I take, I feel the fear. I try to breathe, but it's so hard to do, 'cause everything reminds me of you. But I know you're with me in the stars, in every tear and every scar. Your love will guide me through the night, even when I can't see the light. Goodbye, my love, beyond the gone. You're forever in my heart, holding on. In every whisper of the wind, I hear you call.
Sabang
I'll keep
Beach.
you with me through it all. Goodbye, my love, you'll always stay. In my heart, you'll never fade away.
Ba, may ano ata dito merong contest ng
I
surfing.
hold on to your voice, soft and clear. The memories we made forever near. Even though you're gone, I feel you here. In every prayer, in every tear. The pain won't leave, but neither will you. In every dream, in everything I do, you live within me, forever strong. Your spirit carries me along. Goodbye, my love, but you're not gone. You're forever in my heart, holding on. In every whisper of the wind, I hear you call. I'll keep you with me through it all. Goodbye, my love, you'll always stay. In my heart, you'll never fade away. And when the world feels too dark to bear, I know you'll be waiting there, in the light, in the quiet sky. I feel your love as time goes by. Goodbye.